This is Yamata machine, Yamata brand, and I think 75-74 design built in. This is digital machine. So we will learn how to install thread and how to make design in this machine. So open this top loading plastic bobbin from here. We will open it and remove bobbin from here. Okay, put this cover back. Okay, and then thread will go. It must be a little bit gap over there to move the thread, and then thread will go from here, then it will go from here. Okay, like this. Then for the bobbin filling, this small tension we have to use like this. Okay, then thread will go inside of this small hole. Okay, then thread will come out. We will rotate little bit by hand, or sometime we no need to install inside through hole, so directly also we can install little bit by hand. Okay, after that we have to just install bobbin here on the bobbin winder, and then we have to move this one to here. We have to push this knob, bobbin winder knob, we have to push it here. Then we will start working for the machine, and bobbin will work. I think for trial base it will be enough for us, so we will remove the bobbin and remove thread from small tension. And there is thread cutter, we can cut thread from here. Okay, so always top loading bobbin thread is coming like this way. Okay, so we have to install this one here, and there is small thread guide inside. Thread will go inside of thread guide, and then it will come out. We have to leave this thread at least 1 or 1.5 finger outside over there. Okay, then we can close this cover. Okay, then we have to install this top thread. It is already mentioned on the machine how to install thread, so we have to, most of the time we have to use to hand, so it will be easy to install thread. Okay, then thread will go inside of this take up lever. After that, inside of this small thread guide, and then we can install through this whenever we are installing. So should be needle should be full up, and then like this we can install thread in the needle. Okay, we have to catch this thread and move the wheel. The bottom thread will come up automatically like this. Okay, after that both of these thread will go from the middle of the foot. We have to leave backward over there. We can use any cloth for the trial base. So this is straight stitch. There is all diagram over here which design we have to select. So first we will select the 00, which is by default, so we will make the straight stitch. It is making some noise because this is Chinese machine, so most of the time Chinese machine having sometimes sound, but some new technology machine very quiet and soundless machines, actually very good quality machines, even Chinese. So this is stitching wide for zigzag, and this is stitching length for the stitching gap each thread to other thread. We can adjust it, and this is actually for zigzag. Whenever we will make zigzag, so it will work. So suppose now we will just choose the next number, which is number 2. We will go forward. this one number 1101 so now we can just make it the next design, which is number 2, like this. After that we go for the next one, which is number 3. It is step zigzag, I think so. So this stitching length we can adjust from here. This is stitching length. Number 5, 6, number 7. Number 8. Number 12, number 13. Number 13. After we will make number 15. Okay.